Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here in the amazing town of Nice in south of France. Just beautiful epic beaches. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin, my trades. This is just inspiration for me. I'm showing you what I do with my money. You have to always do your own due diligence. I use ByBit, the link down below. And if you want to learn, you can join my 6,000 students in the crypto master course, also the link down below. Hit the subscribe button, join nearly 75,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Every video you comment down below, my team is going to pick 5 winners for 200 USD each every month. So $1,000 given away every month to all of you. I want to give back to this amazing community. And I'm going to show you what I do in the markets, what I've been doing for 20 years of trading and investing, my thoughts on the markets. If you want me to analyze any tickers, let me know down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. The technicals for Bitcoin, not much movement today, but still within the channel between 30,700 and 28,600, moving sideways. We're still in that channel right now. It is making higher lows on the channel though, and higher highs, which is quite interesting. We're still squeezing between this symmetrical triangle here that I expect a breakout on the 12th of June for a big movement, in my opinion, to the upside. It does look like Bitcoin is most likely bottoming here. We bounced off the weekly. We had a pullback the last few hours, bounced off that weekly support here at the 29,800. But I do think we're just going to be moving. We exactly, as I called in the previous video, we exactly bounced off that top of the channel at 30,700. Look at that, we almost exactly touched it. You learn technical analysis in the crypto master course, the link down below. We almost exactly touched it, as I said in the video, and bounced off it. I did think we might come to the top of this symmetrical triangle, but where I'm setting trades is down here at 29,200. Actually 29,500 is where I'll set the trades. But as you can see here before, we had a few weeks here we had a few weeks before where it came down a bit lower. Here at 29,257, we had some weeks that came down. So I've got my trade set there for Bitcoin, and that's where I'm going to go long. If you watch my previous video, I'm going to have the long set at that point. So I'm going to have the long open down here at 29,200. My stop loss will be below the channel, and the take profit will be at the top of this breakout of this symmetrical triangle, which takes us to 35,000. Amazing risk to reward ratio trade, 7.6. I'm going to explain that now. We're going to jump into ByBit. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and pin comment on your phone, if you sign up down there using this link down below, partner.bybit.com, if you sign up that link, you get 4,800 deposit bonus. Without the link, you only get a $400 bonus. So make sure you're using my ByBit link. If you use ByBit, I like this exchange because it's one of the top 3 exchanges in the world. It's got a lot of liquidity. It's very fast exchange, never been hacked. And if you want to learn everything I'm doing here, you can take my course. I want to teach you how to fish, not just give you fish. So make sure you're learning the crypto master course, 6,000 students, NordVPN if you have any restrictions. And if you want to see my live trades, you can follow my live trades down there on stocks and cryptos. If you follow my live trades, I just bought Qualcomm today. So now we're going to set this trade that I think Bitcoin is going to be taking. It's a really nice 7.6 ratio trade, epic trade to take actually. Stop loss 28,400, opening the trade 29,237, take profit at 35,000. So I've already got that trade set in this ByBit account. I've already got my Ethereum trade is down around 5%, Ethereum pulling back. My take Ethereum trade is set, and I've got a Bitcoin trade set, 29,200. And this one is going to be set at 29,200. Yep, stop loss at 28,400. So this trade is already set. Stop loss 28,500 and take profit at 35,000. It's not a big trade. I'm going to add more to that trade because I really like that trade. So I'm going to add another 1,000 to this trade because it's very tight stop loss. 29,200 will be when the trade opens. I'm going to add another $1,000 to the trade, a Bitcoin long. So it'll be another 5,000. So the trade will be a $10,000 trade. And confirm opening that long, set. So that trade, so now there'll be 2 orders at 29,200 that will open about 0.3 Bitcoin, which is around a $10,000 trade, which is beautiful. That's my trade here in ByBit. I've got $183,747 in here. I've got BUSD 49,000, Bit 47,000. I bought a lot of Bit now. 89,000 Bit, which at one point was around $3. I like Bit for the long term. Bitcoin, I've got 1.5 Bitcoin in here. Curve, I've got $22,000 of Curve pulling back a little bit today. Luna had a big drop today. Look at that. Luna dropped around it dropped from $10 down to $3. I had $30,000 of Luna, now only 9,000. So I lost quite, that's where most of my account dropped. But then we had a big 40% bounce, and then it erased the bounce. So Luna is doing a lot of volume here, but a huge drop on Luna right now. That's my Bitcoin trade, and Ethereum trade is also pulling back, but that trade is set. The trade opened at 1,700 and entry 1,813. Take profit is at 2,100. Stop loss at 1,688. That trade is already set. Bitcoin trades are set. Now I had some requests for requests to look at oh, I forgot the name. There was a cryptocurrency that everyone wanted me to look at. Let me check. I think it was AVEX. So let's look into AVEX. In my opinion, AVEX is still overvalued, but it's holding on quite strong here. But the stochastic is turning down. It's making lower lows each time. It's still laddering down. AVAX. The big support for AVEX is at $12. So AVEX could really pull down to $12. That's a buying range. Stochastic is trying to bottom here, but it's got more to come down. RSI is also trying to bottom, but more to come down. Squeeze mob is going further to the red. So I think AVAX can come down to around $12. That's the main buying point, in my opinion. Big drop on AVEX. If anyone remembered, I had shorted it up at the 30. It would have been a nice short to hold on to, actually, but I closed that. That's AVEX. Let's look at Dogecoin. Doge is very low. Wow, the market is just really bleeding out at the moment. Let's look at Dogecoin. Remove drawing. So Dogecoin, it's got a really strong support here under the monthly right now, though. But the next major support is down here at 4 cents. No, 4 cents. So it's almost erased the entire gain. If you followed my videos back in February of 2021, if you're watching my channel back then, we bought it at 3 cents. We went all the way to 75 cents. I said to sell before the news, before that Saturday Night Live, if everyone remembers. Buy the rumor, sell before the news. We sold, and then it dropped massively. It's just bled out that entire gain from 75 cents all the way back to 3 cents. The target to buy, in my opinion, is at the 4 cent mark. We're really in a big bear market here. So those are my trades. I did buy just now Qualcomm. I'm stacking stocks right now at the oversold levels. Qualcomm, I've got a big bias, but it can pull back to 104, but I'm starting to stack stocks. I like Qualcomm, I like Facebook, I like Tesla, but Tesla's got more to come down. My targets for Tesla are really low, actually. Tesla, I think, can pull back to 548 and 368. I said that back at 1,200 that will come down to 700. We hit that, and now I think it can come back to 548. 363 is where I'm going to buy a lot of Tesla. Those are my thoughts. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you sign up to ByBit, you get that $4,800 bonus. Without that link down below, buy alts, this link here, you only get a $400 bonus. Take the course to learn what I'm doing. This is the Magicraft team working hard, building amazing stuff. They're working really amazing team. Awesome travel videos, Mr. Mavic and TA as always. I'm up 30% on my portfolio even during this bear market. Awesome, Mr. Mavic. And this is one of the winners of the 200 USD shortcuts. You're good and you deserve the best comments. He won 200 USD. My team will pick 5 winners per month for $1,000 giveaway, $200 each, which is awesome. You're the man. Love the crypto course. Best subscription of the year. Carter is a member. That's why he's got this member badge. He sees my live trades. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. My team is hiring. We've got a Spanish already came into the team. Now we need a Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Thai voiceover artist. But my team is hiring. And yeah, that's what's happening in the markets. Those are my thoughts. Over on Binance, I've got in here around $333,356 in here. Mostly you at 200,000 USDT. I've got Binance, 69,000 worth of Binance. Big bounce on Binance, BNB, and Bitcoin. I've got 2 Bitcoin in here. I set some buy orders for Bitcoin at 28,000 to 29,200. Those are my trades. Thank you for watching, everyone. Comment down below if you want me to analyze any more tickers, any stocks or cryptocurrencies. You're all amazing. I'm going to be giving away $1,000 a month. My team is very generous. Me as well. We want to help as many of you as possible. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.